Welcome to Saliqa Mag. Subscribe for more tutorials. Today lesson is about umbrella cutting abaya. This is 5th class of Abbaya making course. So first we will take the measurement. For the down part, the umbrella part, we need the total length. Of course, abaya we will make till ankle length, and after that we need the waist measurement. So let me show you how you can take this measurement, and after that we will start the cutting part. So actually guys, we have to fold our fabric this way. I'm just folding it in a way that both selvage are parallel to each other, overlap to each other, and after that I will fold it in this way. Let me show you here, like this. So this is the folding of the fabric. Now we will start marking the waist part, and for waist, whatever is waist, your waist, you can divide it by 4, or you can check online. There is some calculators are available for this radius measurement. If you want a link, just let me know. I will give you the link. So here I'm just marking for according to my this dummy size. So I'm just marking because this is not any particular size. I'm just marking the small abaya, so you can see in the camera clearly, because big abaya, if I will cut the big abaya, it will difficult for you to see in the camera. So here I just mark my waistline, and after that whatever is your total length, that is here I'm going to make it like 6 inches. If so, obviously 1 inch for I need for the all the, if 5 is if total length, then 6 inches I'm taking. And here from upside I will put my measuring tape, and this way you have to move your measuring tape in a round. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling well, so like this 7 inches. So maybe you feel my voice a little down, so sorry for that. Anyways, I'm just marking here the 7 inches, and you can see here now it's a round shape, so you can correct this round shape, and that's why this is called umbrella cutting, because it's a round umbrella like thing. And you can make any dress style with this pattern also, but here obviously we are going to make the abaya. I will also show you that how you can make your sleeve with a little different look. So let me cut this first. And guys, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, so every time I will upload new video you can get notification. Some days I also do live for this abaya making and all other series. You can check in my playlist. I have a complete playlist of how to sew dress and make pattern for beginners. So here on the side of the our this cutting, I am just marking the sides, because immediately we have to make the overlap these two sides, and these sides will become our front actually. So let me show. I just open it and now move it like this and make it like this. So now these sides are actually our front and back sides. So that's how you will get your umbrella. And you can see here a lot of flare is there. And now let me show you how you can cut the body part. See how this is how it will look on your body. So you can see here. Now let me show you how you can cut the body, and also how you can cut the sleeves. If any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And If you like this video, just press a thumbs up button. It will really help me to make more videos. So I'm using just my basic pattern as we use in our previous lessons. So basic pattern I just need till my waist length, but here is a problem in this basic pattern that this is A shape. So usually in our waist is a little inside than our chest. So let me just mark here waistline, because this basic pattern was for the A shape abaya. So this till here I need to trace only. You can cut from here, or if you want to save this pattern for future reference, so just fold it the extra parts of your pattern and then you can trace. So now I'm going to fold my fabric in 4 fold. It depends if you want the front and back different. I mean in back or in front, if you want to put some buttons or all these things, you can cut the separate 2 parts separate. But here because we are going to make a neckline little wider, so front and back is same, so no need for the button or zip anything. So I'm just marking exactly till the waist point. So this is our actually body part for the umbrella. And here obviously you need to add the seam allowances and all these things carefully and just cut it here. And because umbrella is a little down and you don't want it to drap in this side, so here we will cut a little extra here on the body, little deeper or little rounder shape here, and then you can cut your armhole and all these things. Obviously leave the seam allowances, all these things I already explained you very well in the basic patterns and all these things. If you miss anything, you can check in my playlist. Don't forget to subscribe the Saliqa Mag, and if you like video, just hit the like button. So now I'm just going to cut my neckline. So neckline is depend whatever neckline you want. If you are beginner, you can check in my playlist how to make a neckline. I also did a live detailed video about that. You can check in my playlist how to make the neckline. And our body is almost ready, but just let me show you now how it will fix with our umbrella part. That's how it will look after the stitching. And see, something like this. So this will become the umbrella of abaya. You can also make the umbrella dress or circle dress with the same pattern. And now just I will show you how you can cut the sleeves with very less fabric. See, if you fold your fabric like this, you can't get the width. So here I'm just folding it little slant way. Here you can see my front of sleeve is wider and the back is as we required for our armhole part. So that's how you can fold your fabric if you have less fabric, or if you want to give it a flare look or wider look. So in less fabric you can achieve that look. So now just cut your sleeve armhole, and see, now this sleeve pattern is ready. You can see here also it gives you a look of like something like umbrella, and wider look. From starting is narrow, and from the end on the front it's wider. Hope you like my this tutorial. This is our 5th class of Abbaya making course. If you miss anything, you can check in my playlist, and please just hit the thumbs up button. Even if you don't like, just hit the thumbs down button, no problem, but at least give me your response. And hope to see you in the next lesson. And Also I did live about some machine breaking, thread breaking issue and all these things. Hope you watch my videos. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.